In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Slack account interface. So if you're working on your Slack workspace and you like to go ahead and make some changes on your home interface, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Slack workspace allows you to customize your home interface. And one of the best things you can do is to customize the home bar and the working interface by just dragging back and forth to a ratio that you wish. So to do this, just head over to this line here. If you hover over this and then if you click down, you can now go ahead and increase the panel, or you can reduce it as you wish. So that's how you can customize your Slack home interface by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.